Hello guys, how are you today? So ayun, I miss you all. Char. Kumusta kayo guys? Anong pinagbisihan nyo ngayon for today guys? Ayun, hito tayo guys for today's video. Ayun, medyo relaxing tayo today guys. Dito lang tayo sa bahay, so no appointment. So for the whole day, andito tayo sa bahay guys. No appointment guys and no walking out. So, dito tayo full tendera ako today. Na naman guys, so back to basic. Back to reality guys. So, yun lang ang update natin guys. How are you today? I hope you have a good day guys to all of you and God bless us. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. And thank you so much for watching guys. Your sis Joanne. Ayun, I hope you won't get tired of watching my videos. So yun lang guys. Thank you so